This is cardboard boat racing.
Today we were able to build boats, cardboard boats, out of one piece of cardboard and a piece of duct tape. And then we got to race them in the pool. It's a morale event. We like to get together with the other airmen and library and wellness community. They get together and they put on these events for us, for our morale. COVID has kind of shut us down quite a bit. A lot of these airmen that are here on the base now, they haven't seen their families, some of them in almost a year. So being able to spend time with our coworkers is really important to our morale.
We bring morale to the whole base. We had our annual cardboard boat races. Usually it's for the whole base, and we have families and Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, and squadrons. This year we did it for the AITs to help boost their morale. The team that won, ironically, were late. They had 14 minutes to build their boat, where everybody else had an hour and a half, and they won. They were laughing and having a good time, and that's all that matters. They had a good time.
It's gonna give you a big old continuity error unless you're still running.
Looks like cut. And then could you be like, you got these medals?
Build a boat champion right there, baby.